Hi, this is Steve Brinton. I'm the muscle testing guy. I want to take a few minutes and share with you a little bit about muscle testing. And the thought I want to share with you today is, muscle testing is the muscles of your body go instantly weak in the absence of truth. Your muscles stay strong in the presence of truth, or that which promotes life. And here at the Muscle Testing Academy, we teach people how to use that tool to solve their own issues and to help other people resolve their problems also. So a quick story I want to share with you. I work with people who have health issues or have relationship conversations and working on their businesses. I worked with a guy once who was a very bright, brilliant attorney, successful, and he was kind of stepping out into the realm of entrepreneur. He's doing some business projects of his own. He came to me and says, I'm really smart, but I know I got some things that stop me, that keep me from being successful, and I need your help. I said, sure, let's go for it. And we did some great work with him. He did some great work. And one day he came in and said, I'm pretty good today. I'm not sure what to work on. And I kind of shared a few things I had become aware of that week about myself that kind of stopped me and left me kind of quit, kind of in a quit. And he goes, oh, I know what to work on. Okay. He says, I want to work on my ostrich syndrome. So I don't know, do any of you have an ostrich syndrome? Do you have something in your life that stops you? Like you go in a direction, all of a sudden you just can't go that direction. You can't talk to that person. You can't make that phone conversation. You can't do the sales. Whatever it is, it just shuts you down. And this guy, his conversation, he says, I hate making phone calls. This guy could sit down with anybody and make friends, the most casual, comfortable, easy to be with guy, great talker, great conversationalist, would put you at ease. You just enjoy him. But when it came to making phone calls, this guy would just stop dead in his tracks. He just could not make the phone call. He said even that day, he says, I'm on the way over today. I know I had to make this phone call. I couldn't make it. I had to just really get myself going. Dial the phone. Dial it. Dial those numbers. Make himself push to get through whatever was stopping him. Dial it. Have a conversation with the guy and get off as quick as he could. He goes man, that kind of stuff just leaves me exhausted. I just can't go there. I avoid phone calls anytime I possibly can avoid them. I do not. He said, I hate them. So, great. We did what we did with muscle testing. Put him in the chair, had him lean back a little bit, put his arm up, started asking him yes or no questions about what was going on with this issue of his phone calls. Now, I'm not really big into let's go back and find out what happened to you in your life. It doesn't really matter what happened. What happens makes no difference. So we identified all the chatter he had about phone calls, the fear, the terror, the judgment of other people, his feelings of inadequacy would come up when he was making a phone call. He didn't feel like he could control the situation, whatever else it was. We named all the energies, all the entities that were connected with that. We did what we do with the muscle test, and we used forgivenesses. We did some really unique verbal releasings of that energy. And by the end of that session, he said, I'm feeling a little more comfortable. Let's see what happens. And so a couple weeks later, I checked with him, how you doing with phone calls? He said, man, for the first time in my whole life as an adult, as a kid, I'm making phone calls. I'm not even thinking twice about it. I don't even concerned about it. I just make the phone calls. What if you could have that kind of experience? What if whatever's stopping you, you could have a breakthrough in one session, something that's stopping you your whole life, and clear that up, release it, and move forward and live life with more grace and ease. That's what muscle testing can give to you. We're always doing a Muscle Testing Academy, a 2-day basic course. Those are always coming up. There's one coming up soon. Reach out to me, message me, contact me. Let's have a conversation. See if what you're dealing with, what's stopping you, can be worked through with the muscle testing. I'm sure it can. Thanks. Take care. I'll talk to you later.